wibble wobble, heap ho ho ho. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he let the others with a quack quack quack. A cow. La vaca. Guido. He says cow and vaca.
Vaca.
Yeah, he knows both English and Spanish.
Cow and vaca? Vaca.
Cow, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, he knows both. To market, to buy a fat pig. That's a horse. And caballo in Spanish. Horse. What's this? A pig. To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Higgly piggy pop. The dog has eaten the mop. The pig's in a hurry, the cat's in a flurry. Higgly piggly pop. That's a cat. The pig. The cat's in a hurry. The cat's in a flurry. Uh-oh, he's running. The dog ate the mop. Look, they have to get the mop out. Higgly, piggly, pop. He went to the doctor to get the mop. The dog and the pig are laughing. I had a cat and the cat pleased me. I fed my cat under yonder tree. Cat goes diddly. I had a hen and the hen pleased me. I fed my hen under yonder tree. Hen goes chimney, chimney.